In the heart of Singapore's bird paradise, nature writes its own music. Here, turtles glide effortlessly beneath the calm waters, while elegant birds wade through golden reeds. Sunlight dances on shells and feathers, blurring the line between land and water, movement and stillness. This tranquil world invites us to pause, to breathe, and to remember, harmony isn't found in silence, but in the gentle rhythm of life itself. Take a moment, let this scene be your 58-second escape into pure serenity.